This is T-Mike. I promised you weekly videos, so this week I'm not working in my shop. I'm out fishing at my camp on Toledo Bend Lake. It's a beautiful lake. So Toledo Bend Lake is 120 miles of shoreline, 60 miles in Louisiana, 60 miles in Texas. I'm out on the Texas side right now, crankbait trolling for bass. I've got a couple of poles set out using shad colored crankbaits and doing pretty good. Bass limit on Toledo Bend Lake is 8 fish per person. I've been out about an hour. I got 4. About a 3-pounder right here is the biggest. I got my 200 Yamaha. It's not a vintage motor like I normally put in my videos, but she will scream. I'll shoot some video of her running on the way back. Sun's starting to set, cloudy day. That's why the fish are biting. Clouds up in the low pressure. Maybe I'll get a shot of me catching a fish here in a minute. Stay tuned. I got my Lowrance high definition depth finder. Track in, you can see I've got my spots marked with waypoints. I'm right on top of them right now. Running that crankbait about 9 foot. We're in 14.8 foot, and there's the fish. 15 foot. You see the fish down there? Hoping we can get a bite while I'm filming here. There's my poles. My poles set out. Dragging them about 30, 40 feet behind the boat. More fish. There's the other pole. See the tips just twitching as that crankbait is running through the water. See the tip. There's that action. There's that action to it. Makes the fish jump all over. Here's some more fish down in deeper water, down at 18 foot on the bottom. This crankbait ain't going deep enough for those. I'm gonna motivate over to another spot and see what we can do. Oh, got one. All right, it's coming in. Appears to be a pretty good one. Oh yeah, decent fish. Could be a 4-pounder. Crankbait trolling. Crankbait trolling on Toledo Bend Lake. She's a good fish. You gotta be real careful. Man, I'm telling you, that's a nice fish. Let's weigh her and see what she weighs. I'm gonna say not quite 3. 2.95. 2.95. Not quite 3. Good fish though. Let's see if we can get another one on film. That was a lot of fun, man. Shag, yeah! Alright, so it's February 27th, 2021. We've just gotten through with the worst winter on record that I've ever been through. It's 75 degrees, low 70 out here today. So the fish are kind of turned on. I've got 5 so far in about an hour. I got some good fish. A couple of 3s and a 2. So sun's starting to set. So I'll probably have about another 45 minutes of fishing left, half hour to 45 minutes. I'm going to see if I can get my limit, which is 8 fish. Go back and hit some of my good spots where I caught that 3 at and see if I can't get another one on the line. Let's see what happens. Alright, we're still at 5 fish and we got some weather moving in. Got some cloud cover coming in, look like some rain coming in with the south wind. So I think T-Mike's gonna pick up and boogie. Try to beat the rain. We do have some nice fish though. Toledo Lake has 2 different kinds of fish in it. There's largemouth, which are larger fish. And it's got Kentuckies, which is smaller by size, got smaller scales, darker green. We got some nice fish. Let's see if we can beat this weather home. It's a-coming. Looks like we made a good move coming in. That weather is coming in big time behind us. Probably gonna make it in just in time. We made it in time. Hope I enjoyed the video. I know I normally do vintage outboard motor videos, but I'm on vacation, decided to throw in a fishing video. If you guys and girls want to see more fishing videos, just let me know in the comments. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to do weekly videos. Au revoir, mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it 1 motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir, mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler.